How to power and charge the Zero Breeze Mark II AC simultaneously in the car. To power and charge the Mark II AC in the car, follow these steps. Connect the 12V to 24V converter to the car's cigarette lighter. Attach the 12V to 24V converter to the power extension dock. Use the power extension dock to connect the Mark II AC and the Mark II battery. This setup delivers a maximum charging power of 120 watts to the battery, keeping it fully charged and for the continuous operation of the Mark II AC. However, if the AC's power consumption exceeds 120 watts, the battery can only sustain the AC at maximum power for up to 7 hours, even while charging. Most car cigarette lighters have an output voltage of 12V and an output power ranging from 120 watts to 180 watts. In this scenario, it's recommended to use one Mark II battery. Charging two batteries in parallel would demand 240 watts from the car's cigarette lighter, potentially causing the fuse to blow. Also, avoid powering the Mark II AC with only the converter and the car's cigarette lighter, without a battery. This could lead to the fuse blowing and render the AC inoperable.